Hi there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Haman, and I like drawing manga characters such as Naruto, Ichigo, and Luffy, and so on. Here are some examples of my drawings. As I was beginning my art journey, I would use drawing tutorials mainly from this one channel called Art.Simple. After that, I would use the skills I picked up from those videos and practice on my own. Today, I'm going to be drawing Goku in his Super Saiyan God form with his great ape Uzaro from Dragonball Super. Here, I'm just sketching the face. And then I moved on to the body. Oops, it looks like the body was a bit too small. Don't worry, I can fix that with an eraser. Then I started to draw his great ape. Then I pulled out my Copic multi-liners and started inking. After that, I started coloring. And finally, we have the finished product. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, because I plan to do a lot more drawing videos just like this one. Bye for now.